I saw the bathroom and I literally gagged. It was crazy insane. Bienvenue à Paris. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you through the room that I'm staying in at the Hotel Rochechouart here in Paris. I am currently here in Paris for like 2 days, like 2.5 days, and I am in a room that I've never stayed in before. I'm on a floor that I've never stayed in before, and the room looks so different and so cute and so all the things that I was like, I have to film a room tour so that in case you're also planning a trip to Paris, you know what the different rooms are like. So far I've stayed in a double room and I've stayed in a superior room. I think the room that I'm in now is a queen room with a courtyard view. I think I'm gonna have all of the details about this room down below my description box, so make sure you check that in case you want any more information about the room and all the rest of it. But yeah, let's get into this room tour because guys, ooh, this room is so freaking cute. Okay, let's go. So first we have the door. We've got our home system where we can control the aircon, the temperature and all of that stuff. It's funny because when I first came into this room, I noticed the door, but I didn't really notice it at the same time. But we have the wardrobe closet, which is right next to the door. This is a first for me. If you've watched any of my Hotel Rochechouart videos, you know that the wardrobe is never usually here. And then we have the coffee area. This is the first time that I've ever seen books in the room. Have some complimentary water, coffee maker and all that stuff. I don't drink coffee, so this means nothing to me. And then a cute little fridge, which I may be making use of. And then what is in here? I think this is like sugar and like tea, coffee making paraphernalia. Nice. And then of course we have the infamous Rochechouart mirror. I love this mirror so much. So freaking cute, so like stylish, very art deco. It works so well and I love it. It's nice big mirror, and it's nice to see what you look like right before you leave. And this is what I look like. Cute. Oh, boobs. Okay, then we have the bathroom, which we're going to go into last because I saw the bathroom and I literally gagged. It was crazy insane. This is the room, guys. Look at the way the sun is coming in. Absolutely gorgeous. We have the TV. I will most definitely be watching TV. You guys know I love to watch TV no matter where I am. I love the local TV. Have some artwork, and then we have the classic pendant light that the Hotel Rochechouart likes to have. For the first time ever, and I really think throughout my last couple of stays, this is the first time that I have a desk. I'm like, wow, I've got a desk. I should have brought some pens and papers, but I did bring my laptop, so I will definitely be doing some like laptop-y stuff. This is also going to be a great place for me to set up and like put my makeup and stuff like that, because I feel like I never have any space for that stuff. Comfy chair. Let's sit on the chair and see how comfy it is. Oh yeah, the chair's comfortable. Then we have the side table with the phone and the lamp. We've seen this stuff before. The headboard, the bed, we've seen this stuff before. I absolutely love the Rochechouart Hotel beds. They're so comfortable. I always get such a good night's sleep. And we have some more artwork, another bedside situation. I cannot wait to go to sleep tonight because I woke up at the arse crack of dawn. I'm super tired, so I'm very excited about hopping on the bed. And then cute chairs, which we know, and a cute little stool as well. I've booked a room with a courtyard view. This is what the courtyard looks like. I've never stayed this side of the building before, so that is fun. Also, fun fact, I got here 3 hours early. So check-in is at 3 o'clock. I got here 3 hours early, so they actually gave me a different room, which makes me think, is this the room that I booked? Because this may not be, they may have upgraded me to a better room. I don't know, but if they have, I'm very grateful. But anyway, let's get onto the bathroom, which is absolutely gorgeous. And the bathroom. The floor is so freaking cold, and I'm sad they didn't give slippers. Have the toilet. I've never stayed in a bathroom that looks like this. Look at the state of this place. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning. I love the black with the cream. We've got a marble sink. Hello. Shower, bath. I am not a bath person, but I will definitely take a bath because what the hell? I think in all of the rooms that I've ever stayed in here, I've never had a room that has a bath. So this is amazing that there's a bath here and a shower. And then, hey, and then this is the vanity situation. And like absolutely gorgeous. We've got a bunch of towels. The Rochechouart also do like an eco-friendly environment thing, so you can choose for them to come and clean your room like every other day or something. I'm in the toilet about to get changed. Let's do a quick toilet tour. Wow, look at this bathroom. Nice bit of artwork. I've never been in here before. And yeah, that is all for this room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. This room is stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Very chic, very art deco. Being here, I love all of the art deco-iness of the place, and I really want to incorporate more like art deco stuff even in my own space back home. But anyway, yeah, like I said, all of the information about this hotel, the room, and all that stuff will be linked down below in my description box, so make sure you check that in case you want any more information. If you have any questions about the hotel, let me know down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. I will also have a link to my first Rochechouart Hotel room tour, so you can get a better look at the rest of the hotel, because I think in that video I also showed like the kitchen, not the kitchen, like the restaurant and like the lobby and like other places in the hotel. So make sure you check out that video if you want a bit more of an overview of the hotel. I'll also link my other Paris vlogs down below as well, so you'll see bits of the hotel here and there. But yeah, that is all from me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. A bientôt!